Roxy, and I finally finished my folios. I had a couple last things I wanted to do, and I finally did them. So this one's kind of more of a birthday one, but I will just go through everything, show you what I did. So I added clips, these little ball and chain. I found this on AliExpress, and I just took clips from my stash. And I used a couple bags of the lace I was selling didn't sell, so I thought I might as well use it, even though I got more in my stash. But so I made this little gift card pop-up thing, and this is just a tag, but it fits a gift. So then if you give this as a gift, they get a gift card, plus they can document their birthday or their Christmas. So I just added some fun things. Little pocket, one of my little sewn notepads from old paper, and then here it is without all the stuff. So there's that one. That's a file card Sizzix die. These are just, I don't even know where these things were from. Obviously my stash, but, and then I stamped that on some of them and this on other tags. So they can have some journal help. And then it just gets clipped up again. Oopsie. Oops, see how I do that? It's all okay until you get on camera. And I just close that one down and leave that. Here's this one, I show the back. Bang! Isn't that gorgeous? I love it. And then here's this one for Christmas. Again, old lace. Gift card holder. This can be any size you want. And then some. This is just like when I was making them, I just had some old paper pad stashes, you know, collection packs and that. These tags are from Flow magazine a few years ago, or a couple years ago. Another paper pad. Another tag. And then the back is a vintage music sheet. These are so fun to make. They're just out of old Christmas cards. And you could buy, at clearance, you could buy a box of cards and make a ton of them for craft sales or giving as gifts. This is a book page from a book I have. I think I kind of went all through these cards at my last hurrah thing. That's, I think, I want to say Cardabella, I'm not sure. Maybe Pink Paisley. Am I mumbling? I mumble. I notice I mumble a lot. Okay, so here's that one. I love that card. Cute paper on the back. This is really a fun one, the longer. I like that. I remember all this lace from that was my grandma's. I like these, kind of modern and vintage all at the same time. I love that. And I can't remember with the paper pad. I was going to sell it, and I thought, you know what? Why not just use it? It's so cool. So I did. Can't put them all in at once, I guess. See how you can make stuff easy, and I can make it hard. And then this is really cute. I love, isn't that gorgeous paper? With these things and the cards. I know, I looked at it and I thought, ooh, why would I get rid of it? Did I go crazy for a second? I think I did. So I kept it. There's that one. Here's this one. Who doesn't like eyelet? Raise your hand. We can't be friends. Here's another fun card. That is, oh, I love it. This is Glitz design. Oh, I love it. It's the coolest paper ever. And that's My Mind's Eye, Market Street. And then I have a little bag from, that's probably My Mind's Eye too. Sounds like my refrigerator is going to run down the street. Why did I do that? There. There's that one. There's the back. Isn't that cute? Fun to use lace like there's no tomorrow. You don't have to worry about hoarding it. Okay. I'm not sure how much I'm going to sell these for yet. I love that. This is from, I don't remember. I think Authentique does that on their paper. So, oh, this was a card from my friend Dawn. So probably I'll keep this one. Dawn, I don't know if you're watching, but remember? Very cute. I didn't punch on those. Give myself a gift card. Isn't that cute with that? Ugh. Love it. Yeah, Authentique. Did I say that? Didn't I? Yeah. Sure I did. That is so cute. Alright. There's that one. Show the back. And finally, these are the cards. I bought a box on clearance last year. I got it from somebody. I don't even know. But they didn't hold up well sewing. So I'm mad at it. And I gave a bunch of them away. I only kept a few. So that is just fine. I left that as is with the hole. Best Christmas ever! That's going to be this one. I know it. I feel it in the air already. We've got about 2 inches of snow. So there's that. Here So, where did I have this? Up here? I don't even know. Alright, so there's those, and I love them. They're really fun to make. Give them a shush. Give them a little try. They're fun. Alright, thanks for watching. Bye.